Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and I have a different sort of themed sound pack today. I've got 10 sounds, all of which are meant to be a sound you can use for your Discord entry music, the sort of sound that plays when you enter a voice chat channel inside of Discord. It's a new feature that they've been kind of playing around with, and these are meant to be 10 sounds that would make for excellent sounds when you enter a room to announce that you're here. And so we have things like an air horn, the bruh noise, hello there from Obi-Wan Kenobi, the sound of a bunch of Lego bricks being poured out of a bin, the losing horn, doo-doo-doo-doo sound, the meme final sound, Nani, the Phantasmagoria or Phasmophobia Ghost attack sound, Shadow Wizard Money Gang, and the Super Mario logging off sound, which are... let me just make sure my sound settings are behaving themselves real quick. I just replugged in my headset, and apparently it's having an opinion. So here's what this sounds like, the air horn. And then we have bruh.
Bruh.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Lego bricks falling. The losing horn. Meme finale. Nani.
Nani?
The Phasmophobia Ghost attack sound. Shadow Wizard Money Gang.
Shadow Wizard Money Gang. We love casting spells.
And then the Super Mario falling off sound. Or logging off. There you go. See, it makes the logging off noise when you're done. So that is the pack of like 10 sounds for this week. This one's got that theme. Next week we're gonna go back and do another like standard one. Then I got a couple more packets of 10 sounds for entry music that you guys can grab. Let's start doing that kind of like for a Friday giveaway thing for a little while again. And then if you're not entirely certain what to do with these sounds, like you're like, oh cool, Larry, but I don't understand how to use this. There's actually a really easy way to do that. So let's say this is my test server, and to use these sounds, they all have to be uploaded somewhere to your server soundboards. Just go to your server settings, and then go to Soundboard, and then here you can upload additional sounds, like, which one of these do I not really need? I don't really need Krill Issue. And then you can upload a new sound from the list here. Like, let's say I want to do Shadow Wizard, or... let's do the Lego bricks. Lego bricks is good. I like the Lego bricks. If your sound is too long, you can adjust the length of it here with these two little pull tabs, so that it only plays as much as you want it to. And then you can literally listen with this to see how it sounds. If it's too loud, you can adjust it here. We can call this Lego bricks falling. Let's give it a brick icon. And then we can hit upload. And just remember that a lot of these sounds have to be like 5 seconds long. I've already made sure all of these sounds are under 5 seconds, so they upload just fine. And then after that, you can now play that sound if you're inside of the sound channel. I just type in brick. So that'll play, and then if you wanted to, you could then look up brick, right-click it, and be like, yes, I want that as my server entrance sound, or my global server entrance sound for all of those. And then you can adjust which sounds play where under your voice and video settings. Down here, you can set your entry sound for every single server that you find yourself on. I've got it set for quite a few of these already. You can select like the chess server, and I can say like, I want this to be a different sound. Let's set this to Lego bricks falling. And just like that, now I have a custom sound for my Chupacabra test server, or you can set it so that one sound works for all of them. I don't tend to do that, because I like having custom everything wherever I go, but you can do that as well if you want. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. You can find the download link for this pack of sounds in the video description below. And yeah, enjoy. Bye.